Growing up, I never had a dream that I would ever go into cinema industry or film industry. But I for sure had this in mind कि मैंने कभी क्यूबिकल में या डॉक्टर इंजीनियर तो नहीं करना बैठ के. अगर तुम किसी भी फील्ड में इंटर्नशिप करते हो तुमको सीखने बहुत कुछ मिल जाता है. And nothing else, so it gives you life skills that will stay with you for life. My parents are very reluctant that I should pursue UPSC. So I was like, I don't want to disappoint them as well, but I want to do something that I like. You get to realize you can execute a small video with 3 people, or you can execute a big kick-ass ad with 100 people crew also. The main goal I have right now in life is to direct a very nice, good-looking ad that I am proud of.
Welcome to We Talk, a podcast where we are actually uncovering the stories behind leaders that we see in everyday life, the why, the how, where they've come from, and where they are right now, the challenges that they've seen in these journeys, to actually know that they are like any of us and they've gone through the same struggles that all of you are facing in your life right now. Today we have Honey, a very interesting leader who at a very young age from Yavatmal is now a partner at Shoot Guru, an extremely inspiring firm that is shooting global projects. And you will hear from her journey from how she transfers a very difficult part of being a UPSC aspirant to now actually being a partner. So, Honey, thank you for talking to us. Welcome.
Thank you so much for having me.
So, Honey, tell me about your journey. Why don't we start with what you told me about your childhood? Where are you from? And a little bit about where all of this started to where you are right now.
So I was born and brought up in a small town in Maharashtra called Yavatmal. And growing up, I never had a dream that I would ever go into cinema industry or film industry. But I for sure had this in mind कि मैंने कभी क्यूबिकल में या डॉक्टर इंजीनियर तो नहीं करना बैठ के. मतलब not something that mainstream people already do. Because when you grow up in a small town, वहाँ पे आपके पास 2 ही ऑप्शन होती है, या तो इंजीनियर बन जाओ या डॉक्टर बन जाओ, और कुछ किसी को पता ही नहीं है. While we were growing up, so my mom introduced us to UPSC, government jobs, what are the importance of government job. कि लोगों को ये है कि ठीक है, अगर आपको डॉक्टर इंजीनियर नहीं करना तो सिक्योर फ्यूचर तो चाहिए, तो गवर्नमेंट जॉब कर लो. गवर्नमेंट जॉब इज डिफरेंट and has secure job. You get pension after retirement, you get government houses, you get government gadia and all that jazz. But then for that we even shifted to Delhi to study. I studied for UPSC for good 2-3 years, but at the end of it I realized I'm not interested in doing UPSC. I started doing my internship here while I was finishing my education for UPSC and finishing my graduation from the Open College. And then I found okay, I have to do this and establish myself in this area only.
So, what caused this spark, right? Like, what made this shift happen? UPSC to, I don't know, filmmaker, a person who takes videos, a person who creates such interesting content. What made you get to this point? Where was that inflection point? Yeah, वो change कहाँ से आया, if I might ask?
So while I was in my 12th standard के बाद आपको graduation शुरू करने के बीच में good 3-4 महीने का break मिलता है. तो me and my then best friend, we used to explore options कि हम ये 2-3 महीने क्या करें, what to develop our skills and everything. So we found a small 2-day course photography का in Nagpur only, which was like 2 hours away from my hometown. तो both of us tried मनाइंग आवर पेरेंट्स कि ठीक है हमको जाने दो, अभी तो छुट्टियां चल रही है, कुछ नवा सीख के आएंगे. सो बोथ ऑफ अस वेंट. आई लिव्ड एट माय कजिन्स प्लेस बैक इन नागपुर. वहाँ पे हमने फिर सीखा 2 दिन क्लासेस की. थर्ड डे इट टुक अस टू अ जू नियर बाय, जहाँ पे तुमको बोला कि प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर लो. तो वहाँ पे आई गॉट माई इंटरेस्ट अप इन फोटोग्राफी एंड सिनेमा. देन व्हेन आई वाज इन लखनऊ टेकिंग सम सेशंस फॉर यूपीएससी, क्योंकि what is UPSC and what happens post you get a job. I met my sister's friend called Harshit and I saw a photo. My sister showed me कि see, this is a photo. But and back in my mind I was like, my sister is a painter, so her friends would also be painters. So I said, oh, this is a painting. She said, no, this is a photograph. So then I met that guy. We went on a small photo walk because my sister was like, अगर तेरे को interest है तो इसके साथ photo walk पे चल ले. We'll explore Lucknow also. He taught me few stuff there. तो तब से थोड़ा फोटोग्राफी का था. फिर then when I was in Delhi, I used to go for photo walks. And at one of the photo walk, I met Kshitij, and I had already won few goodies, so that was a conversation starter for me with him. I'm quite an introvert human being, so I barely talk to people. खुद से फोटो बॉक्स पे भी मैं जाती थी तो जाके खुद खींच लिया, कब वापस आ गए खुद से ही कर लिया, मतलब ज़्यादा लोगों से इंटरेक्शन नहीं होता था. But then I started talking to Siddhij. He post that photo walk. He put out a form for internship, and I was about to go back home in the same month. So, but फिर भी मैंने 1 महीने का 2 महीने का ट्रायल इंटर्नशिप किया, and then he offered me job, so I stayed back, and
So this internship was paid or unpaid? Like,
no, this internship was unpaid.
and so most kids your age don't necessarily take this initiative, right? I mean, 10th standard May you did like, photo cool courses, you did this internship. Why did you take this? Like, why did you take this initiative? What prompted you to do this?
So my mom and sister always had this कि कुछ भी हो कि एटलीस्ट ये इंटर्नशिप कर लो, तुमको आगे यूपीएससी में जाके ठीक है वो जो इंटर्नशिप का सर्टिफिकेट रहेगा वो काम आएगा. बट आई हैड द इंटरेस्ट इन फोटोग्राफी, तो मेरा था कि हाँ ठीक है मैं कर लेती हूँ, कुछ नया तो सीखने मिलेगा. माई सिस्टर वॉज ऑल्सो लाइक, बिकॉज शी इज ऑलरेडी दैट टाइम शी वॉज ऑलरेडी अ डेंटिस्ट एंड हैड डन गुड 1 year of internship, so she knew अगर तुम किसी भी फील्ड में इंटर्नशिप करते हो तुमको सीखने बहुत कुछ मिल जाता है, and nothing else, so it gives you life skills that will stay with you for life.
So even if it was unpaid, you went ahead and did the internship then?
Yes. Back then though I used to live in Satyaniketan, so there was good 2.5 hours of travel one way in the morning, 2.5 hours of travel back in the evening. तब तो मेरा फोन का टच भी खराब रहता था, तो since morning my phone का टच was very particular. वो सुबह से लेके 4-5 बजे तक चलेगा. The moment I got into the metro, it would not work. So if I have to call anybody, वो wired earphone पे आपको उसको long press करके okay Google call this person, okay Google do this, वैसे चलता था. तो हाँ मतलब तब तो उतना भी था कि मैं घर जाके सोए, सुबह उठ के बस आ गए, इतना ही था. My mom was like कि तुम इतना कर रहे हो, आके सिर्फ सो रहे हो, तो मतलब what are you getting out of it? But I was getting good experience, so I kept continuing. I was learning a lot of things here. So I was like ठीक है इतना कर भी रहे, but still you're getting something in return, so that's fine.
And this was like your first job that you did, right?
Yes.
Ever. So I think जो बोल रहे हो ना, like what you're telling me, तो you're telling me that your sister was a big support, and sounds like mom has also been telling you कि आप experience ले लो. But somewhere कोई तो challenge था, क्योंकि UPSC करो या ये करो, तो और कौन था जिंदगी में who sort of besides family said कि नहीं ये करो and prompted you to actually take your first job? So who was the person who believed in you in a sense is my question.
That was surely Kshitij, because I remember having this conversation. Back then we used to have a basement ka office, जिसमें there was a room which was all mostly used as meetings room as well. So I remember he came back to office from some shoot or something, and I told him I want to have a conversation with you. Can we have a conversation about the job and everything? So he said okay. I remember sitting in a room with him discussing कि I don't want to do UPSC. I'm not interested in studying. After I have been coming here for good 2-3 months now, and उस 2-3 महीने में मैंने UPSC का ना सोचा ना मेरे को किताबों को वापस हाथ लगाने की इच्छा हुई, और 2 साल जो मैंने पढ़ा है वो भी मेरे दिमाग के ऊपर से गया अभी तक सारा का सारा. But I'm loving what I'm doing it. In 3 months I've realized कि this is something I want to do. So can we like can I grow in this, and what can I do and everything. So you're like, yeah. And at the end of that conversation, I also cried that I don't want to do this. But my parents are very reluctant that I should pursue UPSC. So I was like, I don't want to disappoint them as well, but I want to do something that I like. So I remember I also cried at the end of that conversation, but he was like, it's okay. We can figure this out. You want to do this? We can explore more options, what's all in it. So yeah. Plus, while at job also, he has this habit of pushing people into doing something that they're not good at. तो अगर तुमको पता है कि तुमसे ये नहीं हो रहा है, and he also knows that, so he'll send you to do it all alone. तुम ठीक है खराब करके आ जाओ, but he knows ठीक है खराब करके आएंगे कुछ तो सीख के आएंगे खुद से. So there are a lot of times when he pushes me to do such stuff, just say I keep growing into things which I know I'm not good at.
So basically you learn to do a lot of things. मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें की, and you didn't complain. You sort of kept doing whatever was thrown at you.
Initially, I was also doing a call person ka job where I used to sit every day, do some X number of calls, because we used to run an academy back then. And I had this job every day, come to office, take this list, keep calling people, explain them what is the course, and if they are interested, divert them to me. If they're not interested, just mark them red on the sheet and everything. So that if you're signing up to be in this industry, this is not something that you would expect, but I still did it because I knew, okay, there's something. And uske bhi beech mein he used to send me on shoots where I would assist and everything. So I was learning things there also. And this was, in some point, this also helped me having conversation with strangers. Even today, I am very bad at it. But that kind of opened a part of me which was very bad at.
But if I remember correctly, you told me that the first job you did, right, even before this, like where he sent you all over and you're telling me you're bad at it. But I remember explicitly you telling me, तूने बताया था कि when you went, your first internship was about shooting people and the people stories, right? So tell me, like, I mean, that must have been very difficult if you're bad at talking to people. Then how did you make these stories or these movies about people?
So when I joined the internship, I joined Ek Agas, which was a documentary part of Shoot Guru, where the job was to search people in Delhi NCR who are doing unique things. Like there's this Sudama ki chai wala person, which is very famous. He's doing unique stuff which no other restaurant is doing. And our job was to search for such people, talk to them, call them up कि हमको आप पे एक documentary करनी है, these are the questions, can we shoot, when can we shoot, and then go shoot, come back, edit, deliver. So that was the job. And I remember there were 3-4 interns while I joined who were supposed to do the same job. So it was like a small competition between all of us कि कौन best story लेके आएगा, कौन best story लेके आएगा. तो उस केस में I used to research a lot, go through a lot of videos, search for people, then call them up. Obviously there were a lot of them people were like, हाँ, अब दिल्ली के लोग ये भी नहीं बोलते ना कि नहीं करना, वो इंटरेस्टेड नहीं, वो बोलेंगे हाँ करता हूँ, बताता हूँ, देखता हूँ. तो for me it took a lot of time to understand, okay, this person is not interested. But उस केस में what I used to do was, क्योंकि मेरे को कॉल करना नहीं पसंद था लोगों को directly, not to talk to strangers directly, I used to text them. मैं उस टाइम पे फिर लोगों को टेक्स्ट करती थी और फिर लोगों का रिप्लाई नहीं आता था, क्योंकि आप नाम तो सबमिट कर दे रहे हो ना अपने सीनियर को कि मैंने ये 4-5 लोगों से बात कर रही हूँ. अब जब वो आके पूछते थे कि क्या हुआ, मैंने बोला उनके टेक्स्ट का रिप्लाई नहीं आया. बोले टेक्स्ट कौन करता है, कॉल करो. तो देन तो आई हैड नो ऑप्शन बट टू कॉल. आप ऐसे तो नहीं कर सकते हाँ कॉल कर रहा हूँ बोल दिया और कॉल ही नहीं किया. तो दैट लिटरली बिकॉज आई वाज लेफ्ट विद नो ऑप्शन एंड माय मॉम हैज ऑलरेडी टॉट मी नेवर से नो टू एनीथिंग. तुमको किसी ने काम दिया है बड़े ने तो करो, चुपचाप कर लो. तो इस चक्कर में फिर वो करते गए. So that also helped me talk to strangers a lot.
So what I'm hearing is, तूने बहुत ही जल्दी, very early in your life, you learned how to make, I think, user stories or film stories about real people. You learned how to talk to people. You learned how to do everything, right? From production to direction to handling people to handling a team. मतलब बहुत लोगों को इतने chance नहीं मिलते हैं, but it was because you took initiative and said मैं कुछ भी कर लूंगी. Which is probably where you are, right? At the age of 26, running a team right now, running this organization. तो बहुत ही cool है, मतलब, and it'll be nice to understand तो घर पे कितना challenge हुआ, because you're coming from a small village, I mean not a village, Yavatmal is not a village, but town, और struggle तो हुआ होगा ना, जैसे to keep going, you're making, this is not the most, I think, highly paid job, if I might say. To struggle, what was the struggle? What are the challenges for you that you went through in terms of this whole piece, right? Like, because लड़ाई कितनी हुई घर पे, और यहाँ पे तो I know support था कि तू कर पाएगी, but वहाँ पे how much was the struggle over there?
घर पे तो बहुत ज़्यादा लड़ाई. Even I guess it was 2 or 3 years down in the job till my parents were always like कि हाँ तू वापस आ जाएगी, तू यूपीएससी कर दी. 3 साल तक तो they were like हाँ ठीक है तू टाइम पास करिए, आ जाएगी, वापस आ जाएगी. But then after the 2-month internship when Kshitij offered me the job, मैंने यहाँ पे तो बोल दिया कि मैं जॉब करने आ रही हूँ, फिर मैंने घर पे बोला कि नहीं मैं 3 महीने जॉब करने जा रही हूँ, सिर्फ देख के आ रही हूँ, वापस सीख लूंगी, जो होगा सिखाया जाएगा, 3 महीने में आ जाऊंगी वापस. बट यहाँ पे मैंने बोल दिया नहीं मैं परमानेंटली आ रही हूँ. तो ये दोनों तरफ अलग अलग स्टोरी थी, जो यहाँ पे भी किसी को पता नहीं थी, वहाँ पे भी किसी को पता नहीं थी. बट देन व्हेन आई basically after the initial internship, the unpaid internship, after I was offered the job, I was supposed to go home and come back. So and that was the first time I was going to live alone. क्योंकि पहले भी जब मैं 2 साल दिल्ली में रही, my sister was always with me. But now when I was coming for the job, this was me living all alone for the first time. So I came back, I shifted to this. वहाँ पे भी मैंने घर पे बोला कि नहीं मैं जा रही हूँ 3 महीने इंटर्नशिप करूंगी, सीख लूंगी चीजें और कुछ, और फिर वापस आके अपनी यूपीएससी का पढ़ाई करूंगी, यहीं से
तो
यूपीएससी का
बेसिकली
करूंगी।
आपने दोनों साइड कैसे तो यू मैनेज सिंग
हाँ
कि आप भी काम रहो, आप भी काम रहो,
हाँ,
on
मतलब
terms
तब
of
तक
कि
तो
कर
मेरे को
लो।
भी पता नहीं था कि आई वुड keep doing this permanently. I was still in the deciding phase, but I knew I wanted to experience this more. तो इसलिए दोनों को शांत तो रखना था, नहीं तो मेरे को करने नहीं मिलता कुछ।
So you did the internship, which was a free internship where you know went out and collected all these stories. Or फिर now in I don't know how many very few years you've actually reached a position where you're a decision maker. Where you're doing all this work at Shoot Guru and handling a big team. I think it's a team of 10. Um,
Yes.
what was the challenge over there, right? Like, how did the family react? Because I'm hearing they were constantly telling you to do something else. Um, what was that challenge in this journey for you personally and with the family and professionally, all three of it? Because a young person handling people her age is not even easy. So, all of these pieces, if you can tell me.
So I remember when I went back, I used to go home always on Diwalis and Ganpatis, and we used to have this conversation every time कि हो गया तुम्हारी, काम करके कर लिया, एक्सपीरियंस कर लिया, 10,000 की नौकरी कब तक करोगे, छोड़ दो, आ जाओ यहाँ पे अपने यूपीएससी का पढ़ाई वापस करो, एटलीस्ट यू विल हैव अ सिक्योर जॉब, यू विल हैव अ गुड बैंक बैलेंस एंड एवरीथिंग। तो मैं हमेशा जाके कुछ ना कुछ बोल के टरका के आ जाती थी, बट my mom was so reluctant. मतलब was the first team outing when I went with the team for a movie and we came back home at 10:30 or 11. मेरे को मूवी के बीच में फोन आ रहा था कि कहाँ हो तुम, and then when I wasn't picking my call, my mom called Kshitij and she was like कि हमारे घर पे लड़कियां ऐसे बाहर नहीं जाती है रात के 11 बजे तक, please make sure that she reaches home by 8 p.m. Because I remember my mom having a conversation with Kshitij before she went back home कि now she's your duty, she's your daughter, please take care of her very well. So my mom was always very skeptical about me doing this, and I also had this conversation with my father कि तेरे को जो करना है कर ले, if this makes you happy keep doing it. This didn't came like एकदम से एक साल में, but when they realized okay ठीक है मैं ये छोड़ के तो नहीं जा रही हूँ, after every दिवाली गणपति conversation that we used to have, and they realized ठीक है ये वापस तो नहीं आ रही है, क्योंकि हर बार यही बोल के जाती है मैं आऊंगी और आऊंगी नहीं, आती नहीं वापस. So me and my father had this conversation, and my father barely talks anything. He's like वो थोड़ा बहुत अगर उन्होंने एक चीज भी बोल दी तो it will hit you on the heart. He's somebody like that. तो उन्होंने एक चीज बोली थी कि तेरे को जो करना है कर ले, if this makes you happy keep doing it, but remember you should have a good bank balance, you should have a car of your own, you should have a ghar of your own, because that is what a definition of a successful person in this world is, at least. So he was always like कि the way, because back then my father was struggling a bit with financial crisis in his business, so he was like the way I am struggling today to have some money in my bank account, I don't want you guys to have this. तो बोले तुमको जो करना है करो, if this makes you happy keep doing it, I don't have any objection. Unlike my mother, she would have an objection. Still it took her a lot of time till COVID, she was not happy with me doing this, but my father was like ठीक है तुमको करना है कर लो, but make sure you have good bank balance, you never have to ask or beg somebody for money.
So how is the switch now, right? Like अब अलग क्या हो रहा है घर पे? You're a partner in this company, you're the decision maker. Like how do they feel now about what you are doing? I mean, you have a car, you have a house, you have all of it. So
the biggest example for this, obviously there are a lot of more examples. My mom just goes out there and tells people, Shoot Guru, just Google Shoot Guru. My daughter is a partner in that company, so everybody at my home is like, oh, now you're not coming back, now you have a life in Gurgaon, you won't come back. I'm like, yes. But the biggest example is my nani, because I remember she would tell my mom, why are you making your girl working for 10,000 rupees in a city like Delhi, where she would barely survive, to now she calls up people and tells कि मेरी नातिन गुड़गांव में है, वो उसका खुद का घर है, because she also visited my home once, तो उसका खुद का घर है, वो अच्छे से बड़े से घर में रहती है, उसका ऑफिस बहुत अच्छा है और उसके घर के सब लोग अच्छे हैं ना, वो कंपनी में अभी एक पार्टनर है. तो from my nani asking my mom to call me back to this, everything has changed a lot. It's not just my nanny, but my mom, my dad is also very happy. He's very proud of the things I'm doing, because there was a time when my brother and sister used to live here with me, and I was the one managing all their kharchas, because my sister was also studying back then, my brother was also studying back then, so their transport, the food, the rent, everything was something that I used to manage. So I think that also gave a lot of change in perspective of my dad and of my parents basically कि ये अकेले वहाँ पे रह के without taking or asking any money from us, she's managing all three of them. So that was a proud moment for them also. Plus in COVID, I remember my mom saying कि जब because we used to work on online classes and our shoot crew app, we used to develop a lot of content during the COVID on that. So my mom used to see me getting up in the morning, getting on calls, doing stuff, sleeping, repeating it. So my mom was like, अगर तेरे पास इस टाइम में भी जब लोगों के पास जॉब नहीं है, लोगों की जॉब जा रही है, and you're still earning money, you're still working 24/7, because my father was also at home, my brother was doing nothing. So she was like कि अगर तुम्हारे पास ये है तो be happy and just keep what you have, keep doing whatever you're getting. If you're earning money, that's it, keep doing it. Because me doing that also motivated my mom to pursue law. क्योंकि जब एक बार भाई was also here, everybody was out doing their stuff, so we motivated our mom कि ठीक है अब बहुत हो गया, now you do your thing, you wanted to do law, go study law. She did her graduation, she was in Delhi doing her internship here. Every day she used to get up, make her food, go travel to us, do her internship, come back, sleep. So I think she could do that and she could get a lot of exposure as compared to the kids she is studying with right now. उनके पास उनसे ज्यादा एक्सपोजर है because I was living here, she had connection, we had connections, she got an internship here, she learned a lot more things, she went to Supreme Court.
What was the dream in you, right? Like what kept you going in the sense कुछ तो करना था, कहीं जाना था. So what was this dream like in your head की saying कि मैं वहाँ पहुँचूंगी, that's why ये struggle ठीक है मतलब.
So I used to follow this influencer called Mostly Sane, Prajakta Kohli. उस टाइम पे अभी तो she has become an actor, doing a lot of short films, web series, films, Netflix and whatnot. But तब तो she was a very famous influencer doing lifestyle content and like working for UNDP. She still goes to UNDP and talk about climate change and everything. So she was somebody who inspired me a lot, and to pursue that we also started my Instagram called A Pixel Lifestyle in COVID. But हाँ उस टाइम पे मेरा एक वो मोटिवेशन था कि I want to have a life like what she is having, because that is what mostly Gen Z people are inspired from कि हाँ ठीक है Instagram पे ये दिख गया, ये तो करना है, ऐसी लाइफ चाहिए. So Mostly Sane was my very big inspiration to keep going in this industry. कि I used to see her Instagram a lot, I used to see her YouTube videos a lot कि and this is what mostly Gen Z kids are inspired from. मतलब people like your generation had inspirations like what on Mother Teresa, but kids of our generation has a lot of social media people who they get influenced from, and I was also one of them. I used to see what Mostly Sane was living her life as, and I was like मेरे को तो यही जिंदगी चाहिए. She was very famous. She has given UNDP speeches about climate change and whatnot, and I was like ठीक है ये करना है. But धीरे धीरे I explored more and I got another female as an inspiration. She was Dargai, the music video director, and she directs a lot of kick-ass music videos. So I was like ठीक है अब मेरे को direction में जाना है. I want to learn how to direct videos, how to direct ads, how to direct short films. That is how we started doing short films, a lot of fiction films.
So talk about what excited you otherwise.
So this industry, मतलब मैंने जब ज्वाइन किया था इस कंपनी को, we used to do only corporate videos, छोटे मोटे ये videos. But then as I kept growing in the industry, I kept watching other people, बाकी लोगों का काम, I kept working with different kind of people, I assisted a lot of people on ads वगैरह. Then we realized कि इस इंडस्ट्री में सिर्फ कॉर्पोरेट वीडियो या ये छोटे मोटे फोटो शूट्स वगैरह नहीं है. देयर आर लॉट मोर दैट वी कैन डू एंड वी हैव द कैपेबिलिटी टू डू इट. लाइक ठीक है एवरी नाउ एंड देन देयर वाज डिफरेंट थिंग्स दैट kept inspiring कि अच्छा अब ये कर लिया, अब ये कर लो, अब ये कर लिया, अब ये कर लो. Now we did short films, now we want to do ad, now we do ad, now we want to do something bigger. So there's a lot more that this industry has to offer, and every day there was something else that I would see and send it to Kshitij, send it to the team. Oh, let's do this, let's do that. आज कोविड है, हमने कोविड में पता नहीं कितनी सारी वीडियोस एक्सपेरिमेंट की थी कि अभी तो टाइम है ठीक है ये एक्सपेरिमेंट कर लो वो एक्सपेरिमेंट करना. And we learned a lot in that also.
So this is what kept you going, the constant learning, the constant
Yes.
growing, and all the bits that you saw in the sets out there, right?
Yeah.
Like from production to direction to...
In sets, you get to realize you can execute a small video with 3 people, or you can execute a big kick-ass ad with 100 people crew also.
ठीक है.
So you can like make एकदम ढासू ads also with 100 people crew. So मतलब it keeps changing when you keep changing your output, or when you keep changing from one theme of the video to other theme of the video. So yeah.
And so now, मतलब इतना सारा देख लिया. I mean, in a young age, I don't even know what I was doing at 26, honestly. Uh, what is the dream right now? Like, what is it that you are now, that gets the stars out in your eyes and gets you super excited?
So the main dream or the main goal I have right now in life is to direct a very nice, good-looking ad that I am proud of. आप कभी भी अभी मेरा जो भी काम देखोगे कि हाँ ये मैंने डायरेक्ट किया, ये मैंने डायरेक्ट किया, उसका मैं खुद आई एम नॉट हैप्पी विथ व्हाट द आउटपुट इज. So I am just waiting to get that one output which I am very proud of and happy of, to show off the world. Okay, this is directed by me. I don't care where it goes off. I don't care where it is on YouTube, whether it is on तुम्हारे से हमारे से फोन पे रह जा रहा है, कहीं पे भी जा रहा है, but I need to make something that I'm very proud of and can show it off to it.
And what's stopping you from doing that then?
So when you run a company, it's you don't have you can't only pursue what you wish to pursue, but there's a lot of other responsibilities that comes with it. You have salaries to pay, you have rent to pay off, you have a lot of more things to do rather than just doing what you feel good about. वो टाइम तुम्हारे पास इंटर्नशिप में था, तब कर लिया जो कर लिया. अब now that you have responsibility, now you have people to take care of, things to take care of. There are a lot of times where you have to spend your time, your skills, what you have earned, to do jobs that would help to run the company, but not that makes you happy. So I spend a lot of time doing the administrative work, doing client managing, doing where your creative brain works for, but not for what you wanted to work for, right? मतलब तुमको ठीक है, तुम्हारे पास अच्छे आइडियाज आ रहे हैं, बट वो किसी और के बिजनेस के आ रहे हैं जो तुमको करने की इच्छा भी नहीं है. बट दैट कम्स बिकॉज योर कंपनी हैज टू डू दैट टू earn money, to pay off salaries, to pay off rent, to pay off maintenance of your office. तो एक वो cycle चलाने के लिए all the time or maximum of our time goes away with that. So maybe we have to try and find a balance between both and spend our time doing the creative stuff as well that makes you happy. Because अगर तुम्हारा क्रिएटिव ब्रेन खुद के लिए काम करना बंद कर जाएगा, तो फिर तुम जो अभी क्लाइंट को डिलीवर कर पा रहे हो, एक पॉइंट के बाद वो भी नहीं डिलीवर कर पाओगे.
तो I mean, taking this dream sort of, and बहुत ही बढ़िया है ना, the dream to make like, I don't know, the perfect ad film according to you, though I think most of your content is pretty spectacular. So tell me this, right? Like, बहुत ही simple है, इतना सारा काम किया है ना, you've done so much, you've done direction, you're running I don't know how many social media handles over there and building some ridiculous content. You're a biker, you do, I don't know, some very interesting stories you've written, human stories you create. You've made like an influencer out of me over here. If I look at all of this stuff that you do, and you're inspiring so many young people, if you look at your journey, you have to do it differently. Kuch alag karti, tu kya karti? Do you think that if you were to look at the last 6 years or 8 years of your professional journey, would you have started differently? Would you have done things different? Or this was like the perfect journey to where you wanted to reach?
I think I could have started in a different way. I am happy with where I am. I am satisfied with what I've done in the experience. But I remember having this conversation with my 3 best friends back in hometown when I went for that 1 week gap after my internship and before my job started. I was sitting in a park with them and I was discussing कि ठीक है मेरे को अब ये करना है. I'm not going to do UPSC anymore. So two of them suggested कि ठीक है इस इंडस्ट्री में जाना है तो go out, explore, go abroad, do film schools. A few of our friends have done it. That will give you more exposure. But I'm glad I didn't do it back then, because even today when I talk to people, experienced people in this industry who are doing ads, who are doing music video directors, even Dargai, who I am very inspired from, all these people said if your family or you have a savings of 20-25 lakhs which you are happy spending just like that, and you won't care if that money goes away, go to a film school. Or else the best way to learn in this industry is to experience on different sets, experience on different themes, experience on different kind of videos, different kind of photo shoots. And that I'm glad I've got that experience a lot here, because at Shoot Crew we are not restricted at doing only, ठीक है, मतलब there are a lot of production house who are restricted कि हम music videos करेंगे तो हम music videos ही करेंगे. But here we keep exploring a lot of stuff. मैंने भी स्टार्टिंग के 4 साल एटलीस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सप्लोर किया कि मेरे को क्या क्या करना है. एंड एट द एंड नाउ 6 years down the line I have this in my head कि ठीक है मेरे को एड्स डायरेक्ट करनी है. मे बी इफ आई वुड हैव स्टार्टेड इन अ डिफरेंट वे, मेरे दिमाग में वो कभी होता नहीं, बिकॉज क्योंकि मैंने हर चीज करके देख लिया है. आई नो वेयर आई वांट टू बी एंड वेयर माय ब्रेन वर्क्स बेटर.
That, I mean, I think that's perfect advice for any young person listening, right? कि ज़्यादा experience करो. I mean, पढ़ाई obviously अच्छी होती है.
हाँ.
There's no question that पढ़ाई नहीं करनी चाहिए. But I think what you're saying is you learn through the experience in life. And which is beautiful. Like, I think most people, the more they work, the more they learn. So you're a young leader, barely, I think, what, 8 years of experience, if I might say. तो how do you actually inspire this team? ना आप तो बहुत सारे young leaders के साथ, मतलब आपकी पूरी team आपसे 3-4 साल छोटी होगी, तो how do you manage them? And you are the person, I think, who's teaching all of them. तो ये कैसे करते हो?
So basically, in this organization, we never recruit an experienced person. तो जैसे मैंने अपने सीनियर से सीखा था शूट्स पे जाके कि ये ऐसे करते हैं, वो वैसे करते हैं, ऐसे करते हैं, तो यहाँ पे that is the same thing we apply. मतलब हम हमारे if I know I want to teach somebody how to shoot better, और उसको इंडिविजुअल शूट्स का एक्सपीरियंस देना है, बिकॉज आई वांट देम टू हैंडल शूट्स इंडिविजुअली आगे जाके. तो वी ट्राई टू सेंड देम ऑन आवर फ्रेंड्स के शूट. जैसे आपके साथ हम लोगों को भेज देते हैं कि ठीक है ये बंदा नया है, इसको सीखना है, आपके एक शूट पे चल जाओ, क्योंकि मेरे को पता है इधर अगर 19-20 कुछ खराब भी हुआ.
अच्छी बात है, तो मेरे साथ एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हो आप लोग, बहुत अच्छी बात है.
That's a secret reveal, but yes.
और क्या करते हो इन लोगों के साथ?
तो मतलब हाँ, यहाँ पे अगर कुछ चीजें खराब भी तो आई नो कि वो ना वो क्लाइंट खराब होगा, ना वो शूट इतना इंपॉर्टेंट है कि कुछ खराब भी हुआ तो आई कांट रीडू इट. एक बेसिक थिंग है, अगर आपको पता है कि आपको आपके टीम मेंबर से क्या चाहिए, इफ यू नो एवरीथिंग, देन अगर आप उनको काम दे रहे हो तो आपको पता है कि ठीक है ये हो सकता है, देन यू टीच देम हाउ टू डू इट. तो जैसे अगर इफ आई एम ऑन अ शूट, आई नो ठीक है ये शूट इस एंगल से, इस लाइट से परफेक्टली हो सकता है. इफ आई नो दैट, सो आई टेल देम हाउ इट इज डन, एंड उनको धीरे धीरे रेफरेंसेस दिखा सकते हैं आप कि ठीक है ये इस तरीके से होता है, ये बेटर कर सकते हैं हम इसको, इस इंस्पिरेशंस निकाल के कि ये फ्रेम हम ऐसे बना सकते हैं.
सो धीरे धीरे बेसिकली आप ये बोल रहे हो कि एक प्रोसेस है इन योर हेड,
राइट.
यू टॉट द सेम वे यू लर्नड, यू आर टीचिंग देम, एंड सारा ही रॉ टैलेंट है ऑलमोस्ट.
हाँ.
आप तो कॉलेज से फ्रेशर्स लेके, तो जैसे यू लर्नड एज एन इंटर्न एंड यू डिड दिस, यू आर टीचिंग ऑल ऑफ देम आल्सो टू डू दिस. सो आई एम गेसिंग अगर हम आपको बुलाते हैं तो आप बहुत इजीली हमारे ऑडियंस को भी सिखा सकते हो कि कैसे प्रोडक्शन कर सकते हैं, कैसे डायरेक्शन, बिकॉज यू हैव अ प्रोसेस.
ऑब्वियसली, बिकॉज हियर अगर आप यहाँ पे मतलब शूट ग्रुप भी ज्वाइन करो तो आपको 10 चीजें एक्सपीरियंस करने मिल रही है, जिसके तरीके से अगर आप 2 साल बाद बैठ के एडिट करोगे तो आपको एडिट भी करना आएगा, 2 साल बाद बैठ के आप शूट करोगे तो शूट भी करना आएगा. सो इफ आई नो हाउ टू डू इट, आई कैन टेल माई टीम अच्छा ठीक है ये ऐसे हो सकता है, ये वैसे हो सकता है, ये एग्जीक्यूट होना पॉसिबल है. मतलब अगर नाउ आई एम एट द स्टेज कि मैंने अगर ये बोला कि ये एग्जीक्यूट करना है एंड आई नो कि ये एग्जीक्यूट हो सकता है, तो कोई आके ये नहीं बोल सकता मेरी टीम में से नहीं ये इतने टाइम में ये ऐसे नहीं हो सकता, बिकॉज आई नो दिस कैन बी डन एंड दिस इज हाउ इट कैन बी डन. मतलब दैट इज
इम्प्रेसिव है. अभी तक मुझे तो नहीं सिखाया कैमरा कैसे पकड़ते, मैं तो यहाँ पकड़ती हूँ, बट
हम अलग से क्लास.
आई गेस आई हैव एटलीस्ट लर्नड हाउ टू स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा थैंक्स टू यू. सो आई थिंक वो बहुत ही बढ़िया है that you are able to actually even teach while you are learning yourself.
Yes.
So that is pretty cool. So
दिस इंडस्ट्री इज लॉट अबाउट प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस, कि मतलब आप फील्ड पे जाके जब एक्सपीरियंस करोगे, जब खुद से चीजें ट्राई करोगे तभी सीख पाओगे. सो दैट इज हाउ आई लर्न एंड दैट इज हाउ आई मेक श्योर द टीम ऑल्सो लर्न्स टू, कि उनको हर एक चीज खुद एक्सपीरियंस करके खुद सीखे, क्योंकि वो कहीं फंसेंगे तो आके पूछ लेंगे एंड आई नो हाउ टू रिजॉल्व इट, बट देन टिल द टाइम दे डोंट एक्सपीरियंस इट दे वोंट लर्न.
and I guess that's the best way to learn, because what this industry, any industry today, मतलब आप सारा तो AI generate नहीं कर सकते, you need authentic content. So it's nice that you're teaching people by doing. So
Exactly.
that's perfect, right? So and I think that on that note, let's do a quick rapid fire. I have 3 simple questions, very simple. I think you can answer. Let's start with the first one. What's one misconception about working free? And you told me you started your first job or first internship where you didn't take a salary. What's the misconception people feel that when they work for free?
लोगों को लगता है कि आपको फ्री में जब काम करा रहे हैं आपसे सिर्फ एक्सेल शीट्स बनवाएंगे, आपसे सिर्फ कॉफी बनवाएंगे, आपसे सिर्फ चाय बनवाएंगे. दैट इज नॉट द केस एनीमोर इन टुडे डे एंड जनरेशन. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू लर्न इफ यू वर्क फॉर फ्री फॉर पीपल, बिकॉज क्योंकि आजकल काम बहुत है, बट लोगों के पास एंड पीपल आर लुकिंग फॉर गुड मैन पावर who have a lot of things to offer on the table. Even we keep looking for a lot of people जो एक करेक्ट स्किल सेट के साथ आ रहे हैं. तो it's not that कि आपको अगर फ्री में काम करा रहे हैं तो आपको सिर्फ चाय बनाएंगे या एक्सेल शीट्स बनाएंगे. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू कैन एक्सपीरियंस एंड लर्न इट.
And then one cause you would dedicate your, say, a month to if you had some free time.
Animal care.
And why is that?
Because I have a dog. In this 6 years experience journey, ended up having a small dog. So I was a person who used to run away अगर मैं वो गली में वहाँ से आते हुए कुत्ते दिख रहे तो. But now I would spend a lot of time with street dogs, stray dogs. Now recently I started loving cats also. So yes, if I get some free time in a month, I'll love to spending those time with stray dogs or do something for the dogs.
Okay, and what is your message to the WeAll community, all the students, the volunteers out there that work with WeAll? What would you like to tell them?
I would like to tell them, keep experiencing, keep doing a lot of internships, go out there, learn, talk to a lot of strangers, talk to a lot of people. अगर तुम मतलब don't be scared of doing anything. तुमको hesitation होगी, एक दो बार होगी, but once you do it or twice you do it, you will get over that hesitation and you will feel like okay, it's just in your head. There's nothing like that कि तुमको उसने जाके जज कर लिया. I have this thing a lot in me कि अगर मैंने इसको ऐसा बोल दिया तो मेरे दिमाग में कॉन्वर्सेशन 2 घंटे तक घूमती रहेगी कि इसने मेरे बारे में ऐसा सोचा होगा वैसा सोचा होगा. It's nothing like that. Nobody cares. Just go, have that conversation, come back.
Thank you. I think that was wonderful. Love the conversation and thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me.